How to join communities on Reddit. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can join communities on Reddit. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Reddit application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into the Reddit account. Once you land on your home page, now to join communities, all you have to do is head over to top right and tap on the search icon next to the Reddit or in front of your profile icon. So in the search bar, you have to search for the community. For example, I want to join one of the singing community, and once you search for it, you will see the communities. After that, tap and select the communities that you want to join. Now, once you tap or select your communities, there you will have a join button at the top right just below the three dot. All you have to do is tap on it and then you will be able to join that community. So that's the way to join communities on Reddit, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.